Hi, my name is Gene Holden. I'm the field supervisor for Bell Brothers Heating and Air Conditioning. Do you live in the Folsom area? Are you finding that the air conditioner may not be cooling as good as it used to? Perhaps you're noticing there's some dirt on the outdoor condenser, as well as just overall functionality. You want to make sure that the system's going to operate okay for you for the rest of the summer and it's not going to break down. We're running a great special right now. It's an $87 tune-up on the air conditioner. Just give us a call. We'll be happy to take care of you. You can reach us at 916-444-1234, otherwise on the web at thinkbellbrothers.com.